Hello. For Robin, what can you say about the brewing rivalry between you and Andres? Kasi yung fandom nyo parang rabid fans. Yung nakaka-apekto ba yun sa friendship nyo ni Andres? Or it's a healthy competition?
Ako po, hindi eh. Parang pagbalik po namin na magte-taping namin ng Mutya, parang na-miss pa nga po namin yung isa't isa eh. Talaga doon sa workshop po, may workshop po kasi kami kay Miss Ana Fileo. Napag-usapan po namin yan kung nagbabasa-basa ba ako, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi simula po nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ng ang Mutya na Section E, sinasabi sa akin ni Andres, parang sinasabi ko po sa inyo lahat na parang kuya ko talaga yan. Kasi tinuturo talaga sa akin yan na huwag kang magbabasa ng mga comments masyado, ganyan-ganyan, para di ka naapektuhan. Kaya nung sa workshop namin, napag-usapan po namin yan na meron talagang times na may nababasa akong mga comments, tapos minsan nalulungkot po ako. Tapos parang ni-remind po niya ako dun sa workshop na yun na okay, game na ulit tayo, shoot na ulit tayo, huwag kang magbabasa-basa ng mga comments masyado para di naman apektuhan. Yun po, okay po kami.
What can you say, Andres?
Ayun nga, sa tingin ko din, like, when we come to work talaga, we're all friends, really, and that's what was the beauty of ang Mutya ng Section E talaga, was the bond with everyone in the cast, and I think that's what brought the magic, really, and kahit naman nag-aaway sila minsan, it's important to try not to look into it too much talagang, because at the end of the day, we're all friends, really, and we enjoy each other's company, so parang really, at the end of the day, I don't see it that there's a rivalry, in all honesty. I see that they're just very supportive and they just want the best for us, and ayun.
They're just fans, being fans, mga supporters. And for the rest of the cast, kasi yung title, Dark Side. So how do you handle your dark side in real life?
Rafa, you want to start? All the ladies here sa likod, yeah?
Ano po ulit yung question, sorry?
How do you handle your dark side?
Paano ko siya na-handle? Sa sarili ko lang, hindi ko siya, ano bang tawag doon? Parang pinapa-feel sa iba yung dark side ko kasi alam kong ano ba? Sige. Kasi marami na din akong dark side na din sa sarili pero hindi ko siya in-expose. Parang hindi ko siya na-share kasi nahandle ko siya sa sarili.
Yes, you wanna keep it to yourself.
Yes, pinag-pray ko na lang, like, kinakausap yung sarili ko, lahat ng problema ko, like, yun. Ganun ko siya inahandle yung dark side.
Parang good energy lang all the
Yes,
way.
ayoko kasi ng puro bad energy. Gusto ko, pinapakita ko lang sa kanila na kahit may problema ko, or meron akong negative energy, gusto ko positive pa rin yung pinapakita ko sa kanila.
I love that. I love that for you, Rafa. Sarah! Dark side.
Personally, for the dark side in real life, I don't really mind it as much. I try not to mind the dark side. Yeah, I just try to surround myself with friends, with like a good support system, family. I try to surround myself with positivity. You know, it's important that we don't mind the negativity that that surrounds us. So, you know, just focus on the good and
Always, always. That's very Sarah Jo. Yes, sorry.
It's nice to acknowledge your dark side. Acknowledge it, face it, and then surround yourself with positivity. Pray to God. Listen to good music. Clean maybe. It makes you feel better.
That works.
Diba?
That works, I have to say. Angela.
You know, Heart's right. You have to really acknowledge your dark side. You have to face it. You have to be self-aware. Because sometimes we tend to be defensive about it. When people point it out, you become defensive and no, I'm not like that. But you really do have to face it so you can change and be better. Yes.
I love that.
So, yeah. So you have to accept yourself for who you are.
Beautiful.
Kasi the dark side balances the good side. Yan ang yan.
That's right. Befriend your dark side. Kaibiganin mo yun. Yes.
Yeah, it's part of it's part of life talaga. So, lagi mo lang tatandaan bakit ka nandito. So, kung magpapalamon ka doon, para saan pa kung ba't mo ginagawa to, diba? So, dapat hindi ka magpatalo. And of course, enjoy mga friends mo, your family. It's really okay to not be okay. Just seek help. It's really important to talk to your friends, diba? And embrace it. Para sa akin, i-embrace mo. Kasi part yan para mag-grow ka as a person.
I love that. Thank you so much. Yes, Justin.
Sa akin naman, you have to accept it. Kasi weather lang naman talaga yung buhay. Paminsan bumabagyo, di ba? Oh,
Yeah.
paminsan maaraw. So you have to accept it. And then pag na-accept mo siya, mas maraming blessings na dumadaan.
Panahon lang yan.
Panahon lang talaga yan. Kaya dapat happy lang. Enjoy lang tayo. Ganyan.
I love that. Thank you so much, girls. How about the boys? Yes, of course. Who wants to start? Derek.
Si Ethan. Parang maganda talaga marinig ko
I
yung
think,
kay Ethan.
I think may ready sagot si Ethan. Ethan.
Sabi po, may sagot po. For me po, you just really have to face that there's always gonna be a dark side. Parang may, in life po, may good side and also may dark side. So for me, you just have to face it. Like what they all said, you have to face it. And you have to actually embrace mo nga eh. Kasi parang for me, kailangan doon ka matututo sa buhay. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Yun po.
Thank you. Charles?
Parang nasabi kasi lahat ng nasasabihin ko, pero yun, I try to focus on the good things. Sa life talaga, there's a lot of dark stuff na nangyayari. And you have to face it. So, yun siguro. Focus on the good things. Enjoy lang. Okay, ikaw.
Gusto ko yung in-rehearse na yung sasabihin niya, yun din.
MK?
Yes, Kuya, I got you. I got you. I think for me, I think it's always good to remember that in every darkness is always a light. You just gotta find the right spot. You're not always gonna see what's ahead of you. You're not gonna know what the world or the universe throws your way. You're not always gonna be prepared, pero you just gotta find the light and you'll be there. Grabe ko.
And the light. Yes, Derek.
Ayun, kagaya ng sinabi ni Michael, turn the lights on. Pero kasi, maigli lang yung buhay, no? As much as possible, I try not to focus sa bad stuff sa life. Enjoy lang lagi. Happy lang. No?
Yes, Martin Venegas.
Ayun, siyempre, di naman natin maiwasan magkaroon ng dark times sa life natin. Ayun, nasasabi na lahat eh. Ako kasi personally, nag-pray lang ako kay God na guide ako sa tama, ganun. And ayun, makipag-hang sa friends, sa family. Tapos ito si Sam Show, lagi ako na-advise na ito pag nag-rant ako sa kanya sa mga problems ko. So, sobrang galing mag-advise ito ni Sam Show. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, kung may problema kayo sa buhay nyo, i-chat nyo si Sam Show. Okay.
Sam Show sa Instagram. Pwede mag-message kay Sam Show sa IG for advices. Yes, Sam Show.
Si Martin talaga. So, yun lang, like everyone said everything, like, there are good days, there are bad days, but then, at the end of the day, we have to go through the wound itself to heal it, and that's the dark side, and, it's important that we heal in life, and God is the best healer. He is the one who can, bring us out of the dirt, so, just pray every time, and have faith in God, and walk by faith, not by sight. Amen.
Always and forever. Yes, Kersu.
So, yun, embrace nyo lang yung dark side, siyempre. So, normal naman yun sa buhay. Normal naman yun sa buhay na may dark times, pero yun, mas okay din na may mga surroundings ka na positive. Friends, family mo, and mga loved ones.
Support system. Yes, JD.
ako din, agree din ako sa sinabi ng lahat. Parang nasabi nga nila lahat. Yeah, I agree to embrace your dark side kasi sometimes that makes you stronger, diba? It makes you who you are today. And yeah, just pray, lift it up to God. And siya naman kasi talaga yung nakakaalam ng lahat, diba? Hindi natin pwede i-share lahat ng dark side natin sa mga pamilya, sa kaibigan. So yeah.
Thank you. AJ?
For people, you should, like what the girl said, you should acknowledge your dark side because everybody is not perfect and everybody has imperfections. Without those imperfections, we won't be human. And that's our imperfections. And yeah, should be proud of our dark sides, right?
Yeah. Mic drop for AJ. Yes, Dave.
They all have valid points and ayun nga, face your dark side kasi that's where you'll learn in life and just surround yourself with positive energy para cast out yung bad side.
You live and you learn. Yes, Nick.
Parang halos lahat sinabi na ng iba eh. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko eh. Pero ayun nga, sabi nga nila na hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko kasi sinabi nila. So yung, like sabi nga nila, lahat naman tayo ng mga dark side. So mawala rin ako. Nagsasabi lang ako sa family ko, may problema ko, sa mga friends ko. And ayun, marami lang tayo magdasal. Panginoon.
Hi, Keegan.
Hi. So ayun, sinabi na lang ano lang sa akin, personally, but syempre normal yan, nadaan tayo sa dark side. Personally, yung ginagawa ko, I talk to myself, I pray to God, and kahit pa paano, sinusurround ko yung sarili ko sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa akin in the future. Ayun, learn from mistake. Yun, sabi niya, listen to positive music. Yun. Yun lang.
Thanks, Keeks. Andre.
Yun po, so, kada dark side po kasi naniniwala ako na meron din pong bright side. Kaya huwag sana natin kakalimutan na sa bawat dilim, ay may naghihintay sa ating liwanag.
Yes.
Thank you!
Nice. Frost.
CJ, what else is there to say? I mean, I agree with everyone. Everyone has very good points. I'm sure you've all absorbed that. My only addition is go for a walk.
That is true. That is true. Yes, Kurt.
For me, I believe that everyone has a dark side, and I handle my dark side to learning from it. I let my dark side mold my character to be a better person, and yun po. Thank you po.
There we go. And last but not least, Young Alexis.
What they said po, thank you. Ay, joke lang.
Ang bilis.
Ayun po, since nasabi na nila lahat, yun nga, embrace natin dark side natin. And may natutunan kasi ako kay Miss Ana Fileo sa mga workshop natin.
Tell us.
Which is yung being grounded, yung magkakaroon ka ng zero state. So whenever you go, kahit saan kayo pumunta, kunwari, workplace, sa school, you have different emotion where you go sa mga places na yan. So always come back kung saan ka nanggaling. Kumbaga, zero state. Before I go to any other places, I return home. So sa home ko, I'm 0%. And when I go to other places, I learn all of these emotions and I leave it there. Yun lang po. Thank you.
We are taking notes, guys. Parang pakalaman natin ang mga sagot ng bawat isa. Wow, napakaraming words of wisdom. Thank you so much.
About Andres and Ashley.
Yes po.
Baka they want to answer.
How do I deal with my dark side? Ayun nga, parang nasabi na lahat. So, prayer talaga. Yan lang talaga ang para sa akin is what guides me in my life. Instead of course, my parents guide me then, my family, they're always there, my friends are there to support, but I think really the biggest and most important factor in the drive and why I do things really is prayer. Because kahit minsan kapag nahihirapan ako at aminin ko din nahihirapan talaga ako sa work, I just stop for a moment and pray. And mas lalo kapag if it's too much for me, I always like to think about the good things in life talaga. Really view what little things around you are a blessing to you. Kasi minsan we take for granted the small things in our day-to-day life. Pero, yun, I think really just to look for the brighter side. Yeah.
Yes. Alright. Ashton?
Ako din, prayer din. Kasi maliit or malaking problema, dinadasal ko talaga. Kahit yung tipong, Lord, gisingin niyo po ako bukas ng 6 a.m. ganun. Dinadasal ko yun. Kasi kapag, ayun, sabi nila, i-acknowledge mo. Kasi pag di mo i-acknowledge, hindi ka magiging aware. Paano mo masasolve kung hindi ka aware? So, i-acknowledge mo, pag-pray mo yun, tapos i-surrender mo kay Lord.
I love that.
Yes.
Robin?
Ako naman po, aminado naman ako na marami akong dark side. Pero dahil sa mga tao sa paligid ko po, ang dami ko din po natututunan and mas napapalapit po ako sa Diyos. Ngayon, kaya ano po, mas nababago ko na po yung dark side ko. Yun po.
There you go. Maraming salamat. At parang pa naman natin, guys. And our Mr. Section E is naging pageant pala. Maraming salamat, guys, for all of your insights.